Your parents never told you about this pivotal moment. The true birth of artificial intelligence began discreetly. It wasn't a sudden invention, but a summer workshop. In 1956, Dartmouth College hosted this historic gathering. A small group of visionaries shaped computing's future. They aimed to explore how machines could simulate human intelligence. This ambition sparked a new scientific discipline. John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence there. He brought together bright minds from various fields. Marvin Minsky and Claude Shannon were among attendees. Nathaniel Rochester from IBM also joined the effort. Their proposal outlined a 2-month summer research project. They sought to make machines use language and form abstractions. Another goal was for computers to solve problems for themselves. The workshop explored neural networks and self-improvement. Early optimism was incredibly high among these pioneers. They believed a thinking machine was just a decade away. This was a radical departure from traditional computing. Early successes included the Logic Theorist program. Alan Newell and Herbert Simon developed this program, proved beating its creator theorems from Principia Mathematica.
Another early program played checkers, beating its creator.
These early demonstrations fueled significant excitement. Another early program played checkers. However, early AI faced enormous computational challenges. Computers lacked the processing power then available today. Data storage was also incredibly limited and costly. Complex problems quickly overwhelmed existing algorithms. Many initial promises proved far too optimistic. This led to the first AI winter in the 1970s. Funding dried up yet those early ideas never truly vanished entirely. The fundamental concepts laid crucial groundwork for growth. Dartmouth provided the intellectual blueprint for AI's future. It defined the field, its goals, and its initial challenges. This workshop's legacy endures in modern AI development. Today's machine learning owes much to their initial vision. Neural networks evolved from their foundational concepts. The very idea of intelligent machines started there. Understanding AI's origin reveals its long, complex journey.
Its birth was ambitious, challenging, and truly groundbreaking.
And modern AI truly run deep into this past. These early pioneers shaped our current technological world. Their bold vision continues to inspire new innovations. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to explore more fascinating stories.